By the time a stock becomes a trend, the real opportunity is already gone. The market doesn't reward the loudest crowd. It rewards patience, discipline, and timing, the stuff nobody posts about. And the real story isn't even about stocks. It's about hype, fear, and the invisible rules that control when money actually moves. Because the best investments, they rarely feel exciting. In fact, they usually feel boring. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why the boring choices today might be the reason your future looks a lot smarter than everyone chasing the noise right now. And you'll know how to pick the best stock. Great stocks rarely look exciting. They don't trend on X, YouTube, or TikTok. They don't have fan clubs or viral hype. The ones that do go viral, they're already priced for perfection, right before they likely start to crumble. Every new investor believes the best stock is the one everyone else is buying. Tech booms, AI manias, crypto waves. The stories change, but the pattern doesn't. The truth is, when everyone is cheering, it feels safe. When nobody cares, it feels risky. But the market works in reverse. Comfort comes at a cost. So what makes a great stock? Not followers, not hype, not hope. 3 essential truths. Profit. A great business earns real profit, not promises of future glory, not fancy projections or catchy slogans. Profit is the heartbeat of any company. It's what keeps the lights on, pays the employees, and quietly compounds over time, whether anyone notices or not. Value. Price matters a lot. A stock isn't good because it's cheap. It's good if it's undervalued, trading for less than what it's truly worth. The market can be irrational, yes. It can ignore quality and punish patience. But opportunity is always hiding in plain sight in places where others are too distracted by excitement to look. Time. The most overlooked asset of all. Time allows compounding to work its magic. Time smooths out mistakes, volatility, and noise. Time turns small, consistent growth into enormous results. Everyone wants a rocket ship, something that explodes overnight and makes headlines. But the best stocks, they grow like trees, slow, steady, predictable, unimpressive. No one notices at first, no one cheers, until one day they are everything. Because in investing, greatness doesn't shout, it whispers. And if you listen carefully, you'll hear it long before the crowd catches on. The best investors don't search for the best stock. They don't chase trends, predictions, or flashy opportunities. They chase good habits. They invest automatically, not because the market is calm, but because their system doesn't depend on emotion. They hold when others panic, not because they enjoy the stress, but because they understand something the crowd forgets. Markets reward endurance, not intensity. They sit still when everyone else is sprinting because they know movement isn't the same as progress. Real investors make boredom profitable. They've learned that the most powerful strategy is often the least dramatic one. Think about it. The best investment plan isn't the one that excites you. It's the one you follow consistently, even when it feels dull, repetitive, or invisible. And if you want to up your investing game, just subscribe